Downloading your account data from Binance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information securely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to the account setting. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or your account name in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and select Account or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access the Data Export section. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Data Export, Account Data, or similar. Click on this option to proceed to the Data Export page. Step 4. Select the data you want to download. On the Data Export page, you will see various types of data available for download, such as transaction history, trade history, and account balances. Choose the specific data you wish to download by checking the appropriate boxes. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the desired data, look for a button that says Download or Export. Click this button and the data will be prepared for download. Follow any additional prompts to save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Binance. Make sure to keep your downloaded data secure and private.